Whether you are an online entrepreneur, digital marketer, affiliate marketer, freelancer, or a YouTube video creator, and you are looking for the best commercial animation software to expand your business through animated whiteboard videos, you are watching the right video. Today in this video we will tell you about a commercial Doodle Maker software that will really help you to fulfill your dreams. Before you start this important topic, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel Business Growing Tools, press the bell icon and turn on all notification. Because we provide information on various digital tools and software needed to support anyone who wants to grow their business online and offline. Let's start. Doodle Maker Commercials. Doodle Maker is a futuristic artificial intelligence technology. It automatically transforms any text or content into and colorful doodle videos in any language. It includes award-winning technologies like unlimited text-to-speech, language translation, fully loaded asset library, and more for effortless video creation. Why is Doodle Maker Commercial the best commercial animation software? With a one-time payment of $47, you can get the following services for a lifetime, which is much cheaper and better than other software. 300 ready-made templates. Text-to-speech in 60 languages. One-click language translation. Millions of doodle assets. Photo-to-sketch converter. Drag-and-drop video editor. iPhoto background remover. Make unlimited videos. Full HD 1080p videos. Royalty-free music library. Sell videos to clients. For more information, there is a link to Doodle Maker Commercial software in the description box. You can buy original software from there. We hope that this small effort of ours will make your business life easy and simple. Thank you.